Okay, let's do the top height first, and then we'll focus on the other windows afterwards. So let's talk about what has window cleaners and politicians both got in common. Okay, so where do we start? Well, I get to know window cleaners over the years, and I find a lot of them have a hard time telling the truth. They're basically liars. A lot of them, not all of them, but we can say that most politicians are also of that same ilk. Or they exaggerate, they bend the truth. So we can tick that first box. Politicians and window cleaners alike are generally liars. YouTube window cleaners, they tend to be bought and paid for. I'll put this in a 10 degree now. So bought and paid for, and they often pay to promote a product, and very biased and untrustworthy. Lots of the information given out, not all, but the majority of information is untrustworthy. Politicians generally are regarded as very untrustworthy people. So they basically lie a lot. Politicians feel that they're quite self-righteous. They've got a sense of importance. Lots of window cleaners I know think they're very important people. I always wondered why they thought that, because I often think I'm on the bottom of society. People treat me often like I'm a piece of rubbish, disposable piece of rubbish. So I don't get that sense of feeling of being important. I'm here 1 minute and I'm gone the next. What else can we say? Politicians. That's on the tip of my tongue then. I can't remember what I was going to say. But the narcissists. They're generally, politicians are narcissists, and lots of these window cleaners that I've come across over the years are very narcissistic people. So there you go. There is a few similarities between politicians and the average general window cleaner. Oh, I forgot to mention, most politicians are completely useless. And that's the case for most window cleaners.